Hello guys! In this video, I'm going to teach this beautiful PowerPoint using the Morph feature. Before starting work, thank you for liking this video and subscribe to my channel to see my other videos. Well, first I create a raw slide. Then I make the background black like this for all the slides. From the Insert section, I add a group of photos of the characters I want. And in this way and in order, I crop the photos. And I will continue this until the last photo. And then I change the size of the photos like this. And I line them up. Then I draw a line like this in the middle of the slide and fade it from both sides using the gradient feature. And I put the text under each photo and the description of each character separately in the slides. And by moving the photos and rearranging each one, I make a second slide. I create a page as the first page. I add the image of the title of the work and move the same image to the second page and make it smaller. I also copy all the photos to use under the first page slide like this. And so I make all the slides. I select all the slides and select Morph. I hope you enjoyed the result. Thank you for supporting me, like this video, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to see more tutorials. God bless you until the next training.